Hello everyone, looking to get cheaper car insurance in Ontario? You're in the right place. In under 3 minutes, I'll show you how to compare rates, tweak your tweak your coverage, and even choose a cheaper car model to lower your premiums. So first step is use a quote comparison site like rates.ca. This one here. Drivers here saved over $800 or more on average and just by comparing. So enter your postal code here to get started. Then pick the right boxes when filling out your details. And to get the lowest quote, here's what helps. So select only the coverage you need, all right, and choose higher deductibles, add anti-theft features, and add remove unnecessary optional coverages like collision if your car's value is low. So that's all there is to it. Then the car you drive matters a lot. All right. So I found that some brands on forum, like some brands and models are way cheaper to insure. For example, sedans like Toyota or Honda are usually cheaper than luxury or sports models. And also, location and usage affect your rate. If you're in a high theft area like Brampton or drive under 10,000 kilometer per year, consider usage based or pay as you go insurance, right? So shop around and compare rates. This is very helpful, and don't just purchase the one that seems lower. And give them a call to see if they can lower it more. And also make sure to ask for discounts. Ask about multi-policy bundling, winter tires, safe driving programs, and even being a university alumni can help. All right. So to recap, make sure to compare rates here on and check out their tips, check the and compare all of them, and then give the insurance provider a call to see if you can lower the price a bit more. And that's it. You can save hundreds of dollars by following these tips, and it only takes a few minutes to check. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.